Try this one. Oh yeah, there we are, the blue. Try another. There's the white. Of course I can move this wherever on here. Here's an idea that was prompted by subscriber John, who wondered about using a simple wireless electricity system with solar panels outside to be something similar to a solar garden light. And I thought, let's upgrade broken or old or otherwise solar garden lights. Now you see, I've got this on the build table as well and was wondering what to do with it. And it's simply coil here, little circuit. This is actually the Centurion circuit I made some while ago. And the solar panel there, with regular ambient or indoor light, we'll get that little LED going. They just run all the time. Now, the thing being, these lights only have the white light, don't they? You know, usually just the white light that comes on. But we could put anything onto such a system. So you could even have, say, a little flicker flame going on. You might not want that. So you might want a red light, say. Put the red light on. In a larger system, you might want to run quite a few things. Let's put that one on too. You know, it just opens up a few ideas rather than just having a epoxy white light. Now we could reuse the on-off circuit from a regular solar garden light, but one thing I've found is you get, over time, you get a lot of humidity damage, you get a lot of rusting going on, and this has got quite some rust on it. Plus the battery's broken on this one. So instead, I think we'll have an auto switch on and off, like this circuit. And then we'll also mate it to one of these Centurion circuits, this circuit. So both of those circuits combined, we end up with this. And this is what we're going to build. While this is going to be outdoors, it might not be practical to have this kind of a coil. So an alternative idea is to use this type of coil here and put it inside what used to be the housing of a solar garden light. Here's a coil in Blue Peter fashion that I made earlier, and that is 24 turns plus 24 turns, and that will fit inside the casing. And that is such that when it comes to being used, this side is up, like they usually are with these garden lights. The solar panel will still be on the top, but the energy will be able to be collected from the top surface. We'll just be able to simply put things on, and away they'll go, being powered. To explain how to make such a coil, it's all very simple. I'm sure you've seen others make them since my original in 2012. But you just get some 30 gauge enamelled wire, something like a pills bottle, wrap it around for 24 turns, and pull out a little section, twizzle that around. That's going to be a positive connection, and then do another 24 turns. Pull the coil off, and then I've used super glue here to attach it all together, and there you are, simple coil of 24 plus 24 turns. Also to add that the two other connections on here will go to the base and the collector, but it doesn't matter which one you connect. You may find though that another coil that you make, which should be 12 or 24 turns, depending which works best for you, may work better one way up or the other. Here we have the circuit running on a breadboard. Now when I made it, I put it onto protoboard there and tried it in the enclosure and found it to be too tall, so I had to flatten off the components on the circuit board itself. I've attached the battery, by the way, with magnets such that those pieces of metal stick to it. So here we have the flattened off circuit board, and then everything was able to go together properly. The coil at the bottom there is held in with hot glue, and it's just at the very bottom and held. So once everything was together inside, on the left you can see that I've cut down where the original battery used to go in, and that allowed the top to go on and the screws to go in. And here it is, built back into the original housing. And you can see that if I put this one on top, there we go, red light comes on, and we can change it out for, say, I think this one's a white one. Oh no, it's blue, so change that for a blue one. And what we'll do is we'll try this later on in the evening. And just to show that it's a cloudyish day, and in fact raining at the moment, but the circuit is in fact charging the battery, so the LED is out. We'll come back later on, possibly the crows will have gone, and we'll see how it does. Okay, it's getting towards dusk now, and I put my hand there, you see the lights coming on, away again, there we are. Swap it over for another one, the red one say. And there we are, and I'll come back when it goes actually dark, and we'll see what it looks like then. And just like that, night has fallen. So let's have a look. Try this one. Oh yeah, there we are, the blue. Try another. There's the white. Of course I can move this wherever on here. Try another. There we are with the red. Nice glow on that one. And I wonder actually about this flicker flame type. Will this actually work? Oh, there we go. Wow. So as you can see, lots of different devices, lots of different colours. This is really quite cool, I think. I'm glad I made it. Right, before I go, I'll show you an idea I've just had. I've turned a coil upside down and put it in that kind of frosted plastic there. Now take the unit itself and put that upside down on the top, and what do you know, the light comes on, and I think that looks really nice. And of course it's using wireless electricity, so anything can go in there, any colour. Okay, thanks very much for watching.